Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Maytag brand dryer and on the display it's giving you an E3 error and you're wondering what the error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So I have sort of some good news and some bad news on this E3 error. The bad news is that the E3 error is a fault on the control panel, which means that you may need to replace or have your control panel replaced. The good news is that since it's an electronic fault, sometimes the dryers will throw up these faults, just kind of like a computer that's glitching. And we can clear out of it with a simple hard reset of your dryer. And to do that, what you want to do is just go ahead and turn your dryer off and then disconnect it from power fully for 1 to 5 minutes. Really, the longer the better, to allow everything to clear out of the control panel. Once you've done that, you can restore power and then just try to run a cycle and see if the error doesn't come back. Now, if it does come back after a reset or after you've tried it a couple of times, you probably need to proceed with replacing the control panel.